Very soon, Pacifique Biusa riding for the team of Rwanda. Our first rider is underway. Pacifique Biusa, 17 years of age, from Rwanda. The rider's going at 1 minute 30-second intervals. And every one of these individual time trials given the honour of starting to one of the Rwandan athletes. Big reception for him in that first corner. A lot of people there at the side of the road. So Pacifique Biusa getting into that aero tuck as quick as possible. Really putting the pressure on. Got to go flat out through this race today. You don't have time to hang around. 22.6 kilometres will be covered extremely quickly. So he's into a nice flow already. It's got the aero set up, hasn't got the disc wheel in the back, but has got the nice deep section rims. This is Sergio de Araujo. Comes from Angola, gets underway, 18 years of age, Angola champion. Biusa starting well. And as you would expect, once he gets to an area with fans and they see the Rwandan colours, they go quite mental. He's had some good results this year. He was second in the Heroes Cycling Cup in Rwanda. He won the Youth Cup. Second in the individual time trial. 10th in the road race national championships. Finished 4th in the Rwanda Junior Tour, which took place in August. 17 years of age as he just keeps that pressure on. We go back to the race start. This is Munkalia Yakuba. Go. 17 years of age. Comes from Niger. So Pacifique Biusa keeping that rhythm nice. 20 kilometres of racing to go. Going to have 2 intermediate splits along the route today, so we had to get a real idea of how the riders are going. The first one at 12 kilometres to go. The second at 4.6. Disc brakes in. We've got the little pack under the saddle, which is testing the whole safety setup that's been brought in for these World Championships. Pulls himself right forward in the saddle as much as possible. Could do with those bars just being tilted up a little bit to keep the hands behind the... keep the hands in front of the head. Our next rider about to go. From Tanzania, Waziri Masoli, 18 years of age. Hasn't ridden many races, but here in the World Championships, representing his nation. This Rwandan rider's going well, taking these corners nicely as well. Obviously knows this course. We get there the right-hand side, the progression of the race, where we'll be able to see what goes on.